Okay, hello people, welcome back to another update on this project. Today is September 3rd, 2025, and it's been about a month since the last update, but I didn't actually do this today. I did this about a month ago and I forgot to record it, so here I am recording what I did that day. What I did was finally create the environment. I love this part of the process. For the road, I'm using an array of meshes that are curved using a spline. This way, I can easily adjust the road however I want. I can make it longer just by increasing the number in the array. I can also make it higher like this, which is so dynamic. I probably won't make it vertically curving like that in the game though, since I don't know how to make the building lines to the curve. I'm sure someone out there can do it, but for now, I'll stick to a flat road. For the buildings, I tried something new and used geometry nodes. They are absolutely amazing. I can easily adjust the shape of a building, and faces automatically adjust. I can even extrude new faces vertically to add more floors. I can also change the material on specific faces, and then the geometry node will turn those faces into other types of faces, which is so cool and gives me a ton of control. I used these new techniques to build the first part of the level. I just copied the buildings over and changed the materials a bit to create some variety. I also made some trees and benches to fill out the scene. I haven't done the full level up to the park yet as I showed in the previous devlog, but yeah, I think that's all for this update. Thank you so much for watching.